Hi everyone, my name is Heather and I'm the person behind happypuppytruffles. Today I wanted to share with you guys one of the cool things that I found at Daiso here in Japan. This is Japanese design felt. Now, I love going to Daiso to get my craft supplies. They have a great number of great things that you can pick from. You always get lots of inspiration, just kind of browsing around. So if you know you're going to be visiting here or living here for a short time, it can really be a fun place to kind of get to look around and stuff. I don't know how many of these kinds of things wind up becoming available in other countries, because I know Daiso is available in many other countries around the world, but this was something new. They have a whole section of sewing materials, some little bits of fabric, and a great collection of felt available, because a lot of people like to do lots of felt crafts in Japan, make little, you know, kind of fake foods and stuff for kids to play with. That's real popular to do. So this was really cute though. It caught my eye because it has the Japanese kind of pattern on it, like you might see on Yuzen origami, washi origami paper, or obviously a kimono, a silk fabric like that. But this is, it's felt, so it has that nice, I've got a lot of glare on this here, let me kind of see, there you go. It has that nice felt feel to it, of course, you know, and but it's got that adorable pattern on it too. And there was a few different versions of this available. I picked just this one because it seemed really cute and festive, but there was at least 3 other versions. And it's just, you know, a piece that's cut here. It's not that big. According, let's see here, it probably has the size written down on here for us. 40 by 30 centimeters. So, but what a fun kind of patterned, you know, felt to have that you could have a lot of fun making a cute little bag with. A little pouch, so many fun things you could use it for. You can make a really nice little cute book cover with the soft felt fabric. So, you know, I know finding the silk kind of fabric that they have for these can become very expensive. Even here in Japan, it's very pricey if you want to get your hands on that kind of fabric. So if you're looking more just for the effect of it all without having to pay all that money, then getting this kind of felt version is really cute. So definitely something to look for if you guys know you're going to be here visiting and you want to see this. I just thought it was nice because the quality of it is really good. It's not like it's just, you know, printed on there real poorly with something that you feel like you could just peel off. It's got a really good quality there of the way it's been made. So and then the back side, you know, you can't really see through it. It's nice. It's got a white background to it. So it's kind of got a nice layering, you know, it's well made, definitely a nice thickness. So definitely check it out if you guys are interested in these kinds of things. And yeah, I'll have some more fun things to share with you guys in the days to come. Thanks again always so much for watching, and I will see you all next time. Bye.